Hey everyone, welcome to today's video on how to earn money from YouTube. YouTube is not only a platform for sharing your passion and creativity, but it can also be a way to earn a living. However, making money on YouTube requires dedication, hard work, and a good strategy. Today, I'll be sharing some tips and strategies to help you earn money from YouTube and turn your passion into profit. Tip number 1. Meet YouTube's partner program requirements. The first step to earning money from YouTube is to meet the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. This includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, as well as complying with YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply to join the program and start monetizing your videos. Tip number 2. Monetize your videos. Monetizing your videos is a key step in earning money from YouTube. This includes enabling ads on your videos, as well as using other monetization methods such as sponsorships, merchandise, and affiliate marketing. You can also use YouTube's Super Chat and channel memberships features to earn money directly from your viewers. Tip number 3. Promote your videos. Promoting your videos is important for getting them seen by a wider audience, which can lead to more views, subscribers, and revenue. You can do this by sharing your videos on social media platforms, collaborating with other YouTubers, and using paid advertising. You can also optimize your videos for SEO by using relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. Tip number 4. Create engaging content. Creating engaging content is crucial for building a loyal audience and earning money from YouTube. You want to create videos that resonate with your viewers and keep them coming back for more. This can be achieved by using storytelling, humor, and personal experiences to connect with your audience. Tip number 5. Analyze your metrics. Analyzing your metrics is important for measuring the success of your videos and making adjustments to your strategy. You can use YouTube Analytics to track metrics such as views, watch time, and engagement. This helps you identify what's working and what's not, and make adjustments to your strategy accordingly. Conclusion. Earning money from YouTube is possible with dedication, hard work, and a good strategy. By following these tips and strategies, you can turn your passion into profit and build a successful YouTube channel. Remember to meet YouTube's partner program requirements, monetize your videos, promote your videos, create engaging content, and analyze your metrics. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your YouTube journey.